Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily see who viewed your Facebook profile in the new update, so let's jump right into it. First open Facebook and then tap on the three lines in the top right corner right here. From here tap on your profile to open it and then tap on the three dots next to edit profile, tap on turn on professional mode and then tap on turn on. As you can see here, I have turned on the professional mode for my Facebook account. After that I go back to my profile. And then from here I tap on See Dashboard. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then tap on Professional Mode Guide. From here tap on Insights and then tap on View Insights. You'll get this screen right here, and as you can see here there is the profile views with the number next to it, and that is how you do it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.